Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mark as read all emails in Gmail 100% easy and fast. Open Gmail, you can see the unread emails. Now click on the box, select so that all emails are selected. After this, click on Mark as Read. You will be able to see that all emails will be as read. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.